Please, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, do you live around?
Sure, I live around. Any problem?
Actually, I'm going to the top, so please, can I have your number? I'll be going, so please, I'll give you a call.
Okay. No problem.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Yeah, bye.
Hey, Kim.
Charlie.
Listen, I said there's so good on the I won't come here.
Hey, so I done for now, linking a mammy. Oh, Charlie, forget
to what's up.
Charlie, who's a mean sick as some no?
Settlement. Ah, say.
Charlie,
BBM says,
Charlie, sick as a
power, and I said,
power. Charlie, me, I don't go. Sika, what's a minute scan there?
Never can pesca too.
Charlie,
about pesca with this.
Hey,
forget the new
forget it.
Hey, madam, for you, cool guy. That's what I said. When you couldn't
go that morning, me don't call it sound. I didn't escape me. Charlie, Sika, some slow.
I can whoop pesca, my cat. Madam, for a fine guy. She's coming.
Obonto, my love.
Please.
Oh,
your love. Why?
I've been expecting your call. I've been expecting to see your call, but you didn't call me. Why?
Yeah, I will call you. I was about to call you, but I'll call you. Yes, I will call you.
When?
I will call you.
And who is this lady?
And you too, who are you?
Oh, you want to
tell
know
me who I am? I want to know who are you.
Wait. I'll show you who I am. Okay. Stand. No.
You want to hit me with a stone?
I know who I am.
You want to hit me with a stone?
If I give you one backhand now, you know who I am. Come back now. Back to you. Why haven't you called me?
I said I'll call you.
Dial my number. No.
Hey.
I want to have your own number. Dial it.
Number.
My love, you want to be you just collected my number and you don't want to call me.
I have called.
Are you okay? I have called. I will take it and confirm. Hello?
Hello.
Okay, now I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm satisfied now, no problem. So, I'll be waiting for your call. In fact, if you don't call me, I will call you.
I hear, madam.
Now that I have your number.
Yes, madam.
So, we'll see later, eh?
Yes,
Obonto, my love.
Oh, I'm not your love.
Obonto, my love. I don't want to see that girl with you again.
Obonto, me am a pre. Obi jan baby, man kwan ko fela nkwaje na man nkwa dey. Ama we sa isia. Oh. Kemo so bi na ya botre, onzo otam ba na onzo uko. What are you doing here?
Obonto, my darling.
What are you doing here?
Welcome. I've been waiting for you.
How did you get to my place?
Shh. You don't have to ask me how I got to your place. I know your place, of course.
Please. I just took your number. I didn't even call you.
And that is the more reason why I am here to stay.
Hey.
So, be happy that I'm here to be your wife.
Hey. So me me pray. Akosi me pray. The man who be me frɛ. The man who be me frɛ. Please, here is not for me. Here is for somebody. It's for someone.
I don't care about that. All I know is that I'm here to stay. I love you so much, and I'm here to stay.
See.
Do you know what you do for me? Just go there, pick my stuffs, and take them inside.
Please, can you just go?
Go and take my stuffs inside. Welcome your wife now. Are you not happy that a beautiful girl like me is even here to marry you?
Please just go. I'll call you.
Take my stuffs inside. Take them inside. I don't want to hear anything.
Hey, please, this place is my place.
I don't care. That's not my business. I am here to be your wife. I love you, and I'm here to be your wife. Shh. Take them inside.
Hey.
Take my stuff inside right now. I said right now. Right now.
This was my place.
Hey, and come back here. Oh, I can see you have your kitchen utensils here. Yes. That's good. Are they yours?
Yes.
Oh, good. So it means I'm going to prepare you a delicious black rice with rats and bush lizard.
Hot.
You will enjoy it.
Lizard,
of course.
That for me.
Lizard, gizzard, whatever. I'll mix it up and spice it up for you, and you will enjoy it. My love,
please, you just go. Just go. I'll call you.
Take the things inside.
Hey.
Take my stuff inside. Take them right now.
Please, this place is not my place.
Obonto, my love, my
just
husband.
Go. I'll call you.
Take my things inside. I am here to stay. I am here to be your wife.